Okay, what is going on, CYPRX YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, and foreign exchange, how to trade them utilizing technical analysis properly, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. In today's video breakdown, we're just going to go ahead and cover some technical analysis on XRP. Before we get started, I want to play you guys something and just cover some things on YouTube. And I'm telling you guys right now that if you're doing what the majority of everyone else is doing in the market, meaning that, I put out this YouTube video and I'm going to play it here for you guys here today. It's called XRP Ready to Moon or Crash and Burn. And I gave you guys some bearish targets to save yourselves buying at the highs. So I'm going to play this here for you guys. But the majority of the videos, since I released this one on YouTube, and this is just, again, to try and teach you guys that cryptocurrency and forex and commodities are not bullish all the time. Bullish, right? It's the hype. It's fun. It's filling. Okay. But if you're buying assets or cryptocurrencies or whatever the case may be, if you're investing based off of what these YouTubers, okay, on YouTube are telling you, meaning that if you go and you just type in XRP in the search bar on YouTube, 1,000 videos will pop up saying bullish XRP, XRP to $100, XRP to $50, XRP to $34. And yes, okay, I get it in the long term, okay? XRP could potentially reach those numbers, right? However, you guys have to understand that the markets don't do that and that they move in fluctuations. And anybody that realistically wants to learn how to trade these markets on an intraday level, okay, you guys could have taken some very nice sell positions on XRP had you have listened to this YouTube video that I posted. I believe it was, let's say, around maybe 4 or 5 days ago, maybe 6-7 days ago. Let's see, February 13th. Okay, so almost a week ago, actually. We were operating right here, and I told you guys that we could pull back to potentially 73 cents before we see that rally higher. So this could have saved you, again, buying that quote unquote dip that the majority of YouTubers were telling you to buy here in this area, and you could have waited. And you guys see right now that we just tapped into around almost 70 cents, but that we are hovering at around 73 cents. Now, I'm currently in a leveraged sell position on XRP. I'm expecting some further price action on XRP, maybe a potential pullback right now, and then another swing back to the downside to come and fill in the 50% to 70% extension on. I told you guys in previous XRP videos that my overall bearish target before we see a rally higher is 65 cents to come and clear the liquidity beneath sell stops here underneath of these lows, okay? And then maybe we can come and attack buy stops above the highs anywhere between 91 cents to $1. All right, so I'll break down this price action here for you guys in just a second, but just to show you guys the proof, anybody that's new here, okay, I want to play this video for you all. This is again the video that I uploaded around February 13th, okay? So just listen carefully. I'm going to get into that on the daily chart here in a second, and most likely we are going to see a massive rally back to the upside. In my personal opinion, I see trendline liquidity forming here in this area. Again, people like to call this some type of bull flag or channel. All right, if this channel is going to come into fruition and we're going to see a break to the upside, in my personal opinion, we are going to need to grab liquidity beneath these lows before going higher. So what could we see potentially happening now? A nasty pullback on XRP, okay, that comes down into that 73 cent region. And then we see a grab and sweep of the liquidity beneath these lows and beneath this trend line. And then we start to see a rally back to the upside, rejecting the 73 cent region. Okay, so I just wanted to play that for you guys because, again, I want you all to understand that and look at price action now, okay? You guys are watching a YouTube channel of somebody who actually cares about price action and isn't just going to tell you guys that XRP is bullish every single day, because it's not. As you guys can see, since around February, let's just say 9th, we tapped into some buy stops above these highs, and then the market reversed after grabbing the liquidity above these highs and has been in a temporary downtrend since February 9th, okay? So people that are posting bullish XRP videos since February 9th, you guys, I'm telling you, all right, understand that the market moves in fluctuations, and you guys can capitalize on these moves utilizing the strategy that I teach, quote unquote, the sell position that I'm in right now, okay, was the CYPRX strategy to the T. You guys can see here. Again, what is it that we pay attention to here on CYPRX? We pay attention to attacking the market after we see the market grab liquidity and shift momentum. Okay, let me get rid of this Fibonacci entry right here. But so look at this, okay? We see the market rally up into around 86 cents. And again, tapping into the buy stops from people that were expecting XRP to continue to push higher, okay? We can imagine that people had buy stops above these highs. Those buy stops got triggered. The market dipped into that liquidity and then immediately reversed. Okay, and we came to attack again that trend line liquidity that I was drawing on for you guys here in this area beneath these lows. Okay, we can imagine that people were also buying this dip. And what did the market do? It reversed and came and attacked, like I said in this previous YouTube video, all the liquidity beneath these lows. Okay, so once I saw that happen, all I simply did was identify that the market grabbed liquidity, which led to a market break in structure. As you can see, this low here is new and fresh compared to the previous low that was printed. Okay, we see that the market targeted buy stops. We see that the market now targeted sell stops. So now that we broke structure, I was understanding that we were doing what? Operating inside of a new A to B range, a new lower high in comparison to the previous one. That was a grab of liquidity that led to a break in structure, which is what? Classified as a new what? A lower low. So we are trending down. We are making what? Look at this, previous low, lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, lower low formation. So if we want to get in on this moving trend, all we simply needed to do was take our Fibonacci from the high that grabbed liquidity down to the low that broke structure. We extend that over and look at where my entry was at, guys. 79% discount to the T, which is exactly what I teach you guys. And my targets were the previous YouTube video that I told you guys, which was 73 cents almost to the T. Okay, now my stops are moved to break even on this trade. Okay, I'm currently floating in this position. I've taken partials and I'm just waiting to see if the price of XRP can come down to the 70% to maybe 100% extension. Again, to confirm the grab and sweep of liquidity beneath these lows here from people that have sell stops, okay, where they're looking to carry on maybe a potential downtrend that they're expecting to happen if XRP does potentially come beneath these levels. Okay, so the market could potentially dip into this area and reverse. So now that you guys have seen the technical analysis breakdown, you guys have seen the proof in the pudding that I'm not sitting here filling you guys with gas like everybody else on YouTube, telling you guys that XRP is bullish every single day, because that's unrealistic. Okay, I've told you guys multiple times that if we do and if we are going to see a rally back to the upside, we need to see a healthy pullback on XRP from this rally to 91 cents that we had from, I believe it was the 28th of January to the 3rd of February, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, the 3rd of February is when this rally kind of started. Okay, so if we do see some bearish price action continuation, push down into the 68 to 65 cent region, do not panic sell. If we see price hold these supportive regions and these psychological levels, we could see a rejection and then the bullish reversal off of these levels. Okay, so for me, obviously, of course, I've told you guys I'm floating in a sell position to see if we can push down further. Now to the upside, okay, what is the first immediate target that we need to overcome in order to reverse our mindset from bearish to bullish? Okay, that would be what? The halfway point or the midway point beneath the what? The new bearish leg that we are currently operating in. So that's from this high as of right now to this low. Okay, what's the medium point? If we measure this, taking our fib from the high to the low, our medium of exchange right here would be the 50% extension, and that would be at around 78 to 80 cents. And you can see that that lines up identical with this high here. So we would need to see the price of XRP again. If this is the proper dip buying opportunity, how could you get in on this moving train? This isn't investing advice. This is just learning technical analysis properly. How can we identify that this could potentially be a reversal? We would need to see a break in market structure, a previous high being broken. So we would need to see the market come and take out this high, okay, either this high or this high. As of right now, okay, because this is a low, we would need to see this low hold. We would need to see this high broken, and we would need to see a retracement and a higher low be created, or some type of bullish continuational pattern where we can then look to get in on the moving train when the market starts to trend and create higher highs and higher lows. All right, that's what my goal is here, to try and teach you guys properly on the CYPRX YouTube. All right, and I've attempted to do so this far. And I'm telling you guys, if you're watching these YouTubers who, on, let's just say February 8th, okay, when they were seeing this rally and everybody was like, oh my gosh, $34 XRP, $100 XRP, and you are buying at the highs, most likely your account is in drawdown right now, or you already sold and closed your positions and lost money. Okay, understand how to read price action properly and understand where and how to enter into this market at a proper dip buying opportunity. Once you see the market come and attack liquidity, if your overall position long term is bullish, then that's what you need to be seeing for the market to come and do to enter into buy positions? Because we know, right, that if the market is going to rally higher, it needs to grab liquidity. And where do we see liquidity? I told you guys in the previous YouTube video, we saw liquidity beneath this trend line here, where we can see people attempted to buy these positions. The market came down, created equal lows. Again, people's sell stops rested beneath these lows. And we now see that the market came and has liquidated those positions, or has triggered those positions. So if we do see a rally now off of these psychological levels back to the upside, we can identify this as a liquidity grab, a proper higher low, and then we can seek for XRP to come and surpass the previous high, which is around 90 to 91 cents, to then come and tap into $1. Okay, so I hope that this technical analysis breakdown helped you guys out. You guys have my bearish targets to be mindful of. And I've told you guys in previous YouTube videos that if we do break this 65-cent threshold, I am looking for XRP to surpass the 55-cent threshold and then come down into, look at this, the 41 to 48 cent region. That is where I have buy limits set on XRP. If we do see a push further below 65 to 55 cents, my bullish targets, okay, you guys just got them. We need to surpass 78 to 80 cents and break above that level, hold that, or give a bullish pullback where we create a higher low that leads to a higher high formation that comes and attacks previous areas of lower highs or liquidity that rests above these highs. Okay, you guys can see that the market just created equal highs here. So I'll go ahead and identify those. Or we can imagine people will have buy stops that want to get activated. Okay, so if the market does come and attack these highs and we see a nice pullback, that needs to lead to a higher low and a rally higher up into potentially the 90 to 91 cent range. If we get that, then we can give high hopes and expectations for XRP to come and push up into $1. All right. Blessings to you guys all. As always, if you guys are interested in learning technical analysis properly, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is the first video for the week, just giving you guys an update on XRP. I kind of wanted to let XRP play out and breathe for a little bit. I was kind of just sitting back on my hands and watching all the hilariousness on YouTube unfold, where I was literally watching YouTubers post bullish videos on XRP while I was in this sell position, which is honest to God the most hilarious thing in my personal opinion from a real trader's perspective. When you have people who are telling you guys every single day that XRP is bullish, most likely they probably don't even own XRP. They probably don't even own XRP, or if they do own XRP, it's not any more than 5 to 10,000 tokens. Okay, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which the link is in the description down below for my Instagram, I have posted how many XRP coins I have. All right, so you guys know I'm a real holder of XRP, and I'm not just sitting here popping smoke telling you guys every single day that XRP is going to be bullish. All right, so you guys have my bullish and bearish targets. Let's be mindful of them. I'll give you guys an update on XRP sometime later in the week via technical analysis. I hope that everybody has an amazing week. Stay cognizant, be aware, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.